Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure your tablet is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data and has enough battery. Open Google Play, install or update Zoom, then sign in with your account or create one if needed. When Zoom asks for microphone and camera access, allow permissions so calls work. Once done, tap the Zoom app icon to open it and land on the home screen where you'll see Join, Schedule, and New Meeting options. Pick Join to enter a meeting fast. You join by pasting the meeting ID or tapping an invite link in email or your calendar. Zoom opens directly. Make sure to select Use Device Audio so your tablet routes sound through its speakers and mic, and tap Test Speaker and Microphone if unsure. Once connected, check the camera preview and switch between front and rear lenses as needed. Adjust mic mute and video off/on quickly with on-screen buttons, and pin or spotlight participants if you need to focus on one person during the call. You manage the meeting using the bottom controls: mute/unmute, stop video, participants list, chat and reactions, tap to interact. Use the layout button to switch between gallery and speaker view depending on whether you focus on one speaker or the whole group, and use share screen to present slides or apps. When finished, tap Leave Meeting or End Meeting if you're the host. If audio or video drops, rejoin the meeting, toggle permissions, or switch to Wi-Fi. That single restart resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.